Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got some new toys that came in today. This here came from Andrew out there in AZ. A lot of you might know him as Simuangco. I'm going to get right to this because this is a live coral. I'm going to get this bad boy opened without cutting down too far through there. My postal guy is cool. He knows that every time he sees something with live on it, he brings it to me right away, so that there is no leaving them outside and what have you. Yeah, he thinks he's funny. Look at this. Thanks, Andrew. That's what I needed, more peanuts. Oh, looky here. He's got that. He told me he was going to send me a filter sock or two. And he turned around and he used the filter sock to, I believe, wrap the corals up a little bit, it looks like. That's kind of a smart idea. I'm impressed, Andrew, I'm impressed. Check this out, man. All the way from Arizona. It's my buddy. Andrew hooked it up, man. Drawstrings and everything. That's awesome, man. I really do appreciate it. Shit, these are pro, man. No doubt about it, these are pro. Good stuff. Alright, let's get into this. We need to get these corals out of here. Got tons of peanuts everywhere, which is awesome. Let's get this stuff out of here. Yes, everything is packed with peanuts. That's really good. Thank you for taking the extra care for that. Coming all the way from Arizona to New York. He's got it. 3 bags. Oh, we got water. Andrew, I feel water, man. I feel the liquid, man. But at the same time, yes, you can see my hands are a little wet, but they might have leaked out a little bit of this. Yeah, I don't think the handle would care very well. There's a little bit of water down here inside the bag. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some water down there. Let's get this out of here. Anybody in there? I like the little Tupperware tray. I use the exact same ones. That's pretty awesome, dude. They give me plenty of water, which is cool because it'll help acclimate these little boys. And the reason that I'm running the knife right on the tray is because it is an actual Tupperware tray. So no way I'm going to be cutting the tray. It's just too good for cutting. Alright, let's get this bad boy uncheaped here. Well, you definitely give your best try when you take the tape off. That's good. Yeah, whatever was in here came out. So it looks like these guys might have had a rough haul at it. Everything is laying down inside the tray itself. I'm going to go ahead and stick this off a tripod, show you guys real quick, and then I'm going to get these guys up into the tank here and just get them in there. Yeah, see how they're all just laying down in here? So we'll have to see. He said he sent me a couple of or a surprise or something like that, so we'll have to see what's what. Alright guys, with that I'm going to get these things acclimated and get them in the tank. So I'll be back in a little while, well probably a couple of hours, whatever the case may be. Alright, peace. Hey everybody, what's going on? James here. I am showing you what Andrew had actually sent me. That right there is, I believe, a little blue-green mushroom. Could be just a blue one, but I think it's blue-green. There's the frog spawn. There's some pallies. What else we got here? He had gotten me like a bunch of zoas and whatnot. So it's just a question of them actually opening up now. I don't know how well I'm zooming in. My eyes are like really screwed up today. It looks like he's wanting to come out. See the extensions? Everything's down in the sand at the moment. This guy's already opening up a little bit. See if I can get a better shot of this. There you go. Not really the best zoom at the moment. But that's that. You got this one over here. Still closed up. So, you know, we'll just have to keep an eye on things. There's a tiny one right here. Another one right there. Looks like he's trying to open up as well. And then back over here. Hopefully my emerald crab is messing with this. I think he's just looking for stuff on it. He's not actually bothering it. Yeah, that's cool. He's not actually bothering it. He's just checking things out, I guess. But there's also another one back there in the back. Let me see if I can get this stem. Wish you would not knock these little frags over because they're just on little tiny rocks at the moment. You can see how big this crab is to these frags. They're actually trying to open up already, which is really good because they've only been in the water just a little while. Not long at all. Well, let's see if I can darken this so you guys can see a little better. There's some more right here. My glass might be a little bit dirty. I tried to wipe it off, but that's pretty much it. It's a total of, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one right there. That's 7. Here's sort of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then the shroom in the back, you can't see him, he's inside the bucket over here. Yeah, bad thing happened with that shroom. He's not on a rock, and he slipped out of my tongs. Out of all places, guess where he ended up? He ended up right here. I had to pull him out of the Aiken. He had him like almost halfway. Luckily, I thought fast and I got him out, so hopefully he's alright. He did slime up a little bit, so I don't know, I'm guessing that the Aiken got a bad taste in his mouth, but even so, that was pretty scary. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll keep you updated on how this thing's looking, and we'll go from there with it. But that's the new frags that I had gotten from Andrew. Really stoked about it. He got me some really excellent prices on stuff, so it was great. Thanks again, Andrew. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to definitely put a link down at the bottom to make sure everybody knows. And for the record, Beast is out. I don't know if you can see him. He just like vanished. He must have saw the camera. Yeah, he vanished. Alright guys, with that, that's what's going on. Have a great day. Bye bye.